everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to those of you who have watched. In this video, I will return to trading on the IQ option platform and share interesting tips for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the latest videos about trading. If you are interested in trying IQ option, let's start your trading journey on this platform. Prepare the best strategy and good luck. First of all, for those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much for your support. You all are amazing. I use the VFX Alert Signal application to help my trading with settings like this. Make sure you pay attention to every step so you can understand how it works. And this is the signal that I display in the VFX Alert dashboard section. Next, these are the filter settings I used. You can follow the settings like this for optimal results. You can apply it at all available brokers. Next, in this section I chose IQ option because I currently trade using that platform. Next, the signal I chose was Forex Adaptive with a duration of 1 minute. This setup is perfect for my trading strategy. Now, I will explain to you guys why I decided to make a lower purchase. The reasons are: adaptive signals indicate a downward direction, providing an indication of a downtrend. The signal on the dashboard also supports it by showing the status sell. The combination of these two indicators became the basis for my decision to choose this option. So, that's the reason I chose to make a lower purchase. All these decisions are based on the analysis of signals that support the downtrend direction. And now, let's see the results. The result is perfect profits. With the right strategy and analysis, my decision to buy lower succeeded in providing a satisfactory profit. Now, I found the right moment to make a higher purchase. Based on the signal analysis and current market conditions, I feel this is a good opportunity to take a bullish position. If you are interested in trying this VFX Alert Signal application, you can download it via the link in the description. With this application, you can get accurate trading signals to help your trading decisions. However, you need to know, I am not forcing you to use this application. All decisions are in your hands. Most importantly, make sure to always understand all the risks in trading. Okay guys, please watch this video until the end, so you can see if this application really works well or not.